Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are keeping fine. Yes, in last video, I have already told you the short summary of this chapter from your English Literature, Unit 1, The Invention of Shoes. I have given you the summary of this chapter. So also about the writer. And I had asked you to go through this chapter, read. I hope you might have read the chapter. So let me begin today. Okay, so all of you open your book, English Literature book, page 1, The Invention of Shoes. Once upon a time, there was a king called Hobu. There was a king called Hobu. One morning, he summoned his minister and said, There were many ministers in the palace, but he summoned one minister. Maybe his favorite one, okay, or main leader. Summoned means ordered his minister and said, Listen, Gobu Roy. So who was that favorite or leader? Gobu Roy. Okay. What king said? I stayed up all night. I was awake all night, thinking, why should the dust dirty my royal feet? He was awake whole night thinking of the dust. Why should the dust dirty his royal feet? Because he was a king, therefore royal feet, not ordinary feet, royal feet. Whenever I step on the ground, king is saying. He was thinking whole night, didn't sleep, thinking of the dust. Why dust should dirty his royal feet whenever he stepped on the ground? All you people, you are only concerned with pocketing your fat salaries. King is saying to him, saying to Gobu Roy, all you people, not only him, other ministers, other workers, soldiers, all the people, those who work in the palace. So all you people, you are only worried about, concerned with the pocketing your fat salaries. How to get high amount of salaries. You are worried about that. You have no concern for me, but you don't have any concern or love for me or for the kingdom or the problems that bother me, or the problem that is bothering me, making me to worry. You are not at all thinking of me or concerned about me. You must put an end to this at once. You must put an end to this at once, that problem that he is facing. You must find out the solution at once, or else no one shall be spared from our royal wrath. If you are not able to find the solution, no one shall be saved from my royal wrath. If I get angry, no one shall be saved. Okay, now next. Since king told them, no one shall be saved. Now Gobu Roy wondered and worried. Started thinking. Okay. Find out the solution. Started finding out the solution. Worried. He pondered and perspired. He started thinking deeply. Pondered to find out the solution. That he started sweating. The Pandits' faces turned pale. Pandits means those were experts staying in the palace, giving their opinion to the public. So even their faces turned pale, changed because of the fear. The courtiers, knights, soldiers, those who guard the palace, turned sleepless. They too were unable to sleep, sleepless whole night. Even in the kitchen, the cooking stopped. Cooks were unable to cook. Their cooking also stopped in the castle. Castle means palace. Okay? Or the fort. The crying started. All the ministers, workers, soldiers, pandits, all the people, all those who work there. Everyone started crying, started thinking, because if they are unable to find out the solution, king will give them punishment or kill them. So all were afraid. Goburai looked far and wide. So he went far and wide and gathered all the scientists. He went far and wide and collected all the scientists and learned men, knowledgeable men, and all the scholars and mechanics he could find. So all came together in the palace. They sat, started thinking, planning out. They pushed their glasses up, their noses, started sitting straight, deeply pondering, thinking, finding out the solution, and sat down to find a solution to the royal problem. The problem that king was facing, that was the royal problem. After thinking long and deep, they said, so after thinking long time, deeply, finally they came out with the idea. If you do away with the soil, do away means remove the soil. That means if you remove the soil, then someone other said, how will you grow crops? King also said, if you remove the soil, how will you grow crops? To that king replied, so if you remove the soil, how will you grow crops? The king replied, okay, if you cannot figure out how, then of what use are you? If you are not able to find out the solution, then of what use are you here in the palace? You are of no use. No need to stay in the palace. He scolded them. Okay, you can see here how king is lifting his leg, jumping and going, because he found difficult. Dust should not touch his feet. See, look at here. So king was not happy with their idea to remove the soil, because if they remove the soil, how will they grow crops? Okay, so they thought some more. Okay, and then they made a purchase of 17,50,000 brooms. Again started thinking and found out one more idea, and then thought of buying. Purchase means thought of buying 17,50,000 brooms. Okay, that many brooms. So workers were summoned, sweepers, workers were ordered. The dusting of the kingdom commenced. The dusting of the kingdom began. Commence means began. The dust covered the king's face and chest. All workers started sweeping, dusting, and because of that dust, king's face and chest was covered with the dust. No one could open their eyes because of the dust. Everywhere full of dust. No one could see the sun because of the dust. Everywhere flying. No one could see the sun. People coughed and choked. The kingdom was almost buried under the dust. People started coughing because of the dust. They found difficult to breathe. And so also the whole palace almost buried, almost dumped or hidden with the dust or under the dust. The king said, You were supposed to get rid of the dust, not fill the world with it. Now, king again started scolding them. You're supposed to remove the dust, get rid of the dust, not to fill the dust. Fill the dust with in the palace. I told you to remove the dust, not to fill the dust. Okay, so today's enough. Whatever the word meaning is there from this page, you will learn it, children. So for your homework, learn the word meaning from this page. Wrath. What is the meaning of wrath? Anger. Okay. Then next, pondered means thought deeply about the problem. Perspired means sweated. Do away with means remove or get rid of. Okay, so learn this meaning. So also all the difficult words, from this page, learn it, write and practice. It will be helpful for you for your dictation test. So for today's enough. We'll continue in next class. Thank you. God bless you. Take care.